When you think of Halloween, pumpkins must be one of the first things that come to mind. And that is why we have a quick and easy face painting tutorial for you today with a pumpkin. So to make this into a very quick face paint, Simone is using a split cake by Diamond FX on a flat brush. This one is called Gold Digger and it has lovely colors to create the pumpkin with. Once the base is on there, Simone gives the entire paint an outline in black. And not only a black outline but also a black eye, of course, to make it into a carved pumpkin. The nose as well. And of course we have that pumpkin mouth. Well, you can play with the black shapes on this face paint because, well, every carved pumpkin looks kind of different, but Simone chooses to create it like this to get a bit more of the orange in this face paint. Here is an orange by Superstar, a few cracks created with black. And finally some white highlights. And with that, our pumpkin face paint tutorial for today is done. Well, we really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned on all our videos.